Hey, Rocket City RVer here. It's a beautiful day in Alabama. It's about low 80 degrees and nice little breeze. Today I've got a little project I want to show you progress on. So let's get right to it. In the shop, got my little helper with me today again. As you can see, she's all busy. Spottalina Jolie. All right, let's get to it. All right, today, yesterday I actually got the parts back from the metal fabricator to put the ductwork on the convection microwave. It doesn't look beautiful. Ductwork just generally doesn't look beautiful. It's not bad though. I actually sealed everything off with this is not standard like HVAC tape. This is tape that's designed for use on metal ductwork for like a flue or something, and it's more expensive and it's slightly thicker. Don't know if it's stronger or not, but doesn't look too bad. I didn't do too bad of a job on that. So the plan's going to be generally when you put these convection microwaves in, they want you to duct the air directly out the top or directly out the back. Well, I don't have that option. The way I am putting this in the slide requires me to duct it out the side like this right here, so I had to have some custom ductwork made. And I have done a rough calculation on the airflow. I don't think I'm going to impact it a lot. Really don't. Back of the envelope calculation, it looks like it's going to be pretty good. And also, I am using, sorry about that. So I am also going to be using this fiberglass, silicone impregnated fiberglass duct material that's also designed for heat. It's actually for use under the hood of a car, believe it or not, but you sometimes use unusual products to do unusual things. So anyway, I'm going to demonstrate kind of how that's going to work. I'm going to get it all hooked up, and also I've got these handy dandy little screens that I'm going to put once I determine the length of the length of this pipe, which I don't know exactly yet. I won't know that until I can get the unit up into the travel trailer. I am going to place this handy dandy little screen in the end of this pipe like so, and I'm going to tape it in so that it can't come out to prevent bugs and other things from coming back up the pipe. And I'll show you all that in a minute. So my original idea for this ductwork here was to use this piece of PVC, excuse me, it's not PVC, it's actually silicone piping. I think it's used for, I don't know, some type of intake manifold or for a turbo or something. It's designed for high temperature. And I was going to hook it here and make that turn and go out. But this part is not going to work because the turn is too significant. It turns too fast. Then came this idea of using this silicone impregnated fiberglass ductwork, and this is actually going to do a good job. I'll be able to tape this on here, and when I get it cut to length, I'll be able to take the tape over the other end, and I'll put a strap to hold it in position so that it blows out the vent itself. Anytime you do anything for the first time, there's always challenges, always things you got to figure out. I think this is going to work. I think this setup here is actually going to work quite well. Last night I actually turned on the convection microwave up to 350 degrees, let it sit operation for about 20 minutes. This thing only gets like lukewarm. It doesn't really get hot. So I might be overkill in using this materials that are designed for hot applications or heat applications. But I like to be overkill so that I don't have to pull this back out and work on this stuff. Should never have a problem with that. Okay, got it all hooked up to power temporarily with some painter's tape. Just stuck that in the end just to kind of see what the airflow. You can't see, but you can hear there's quite a bit of air coming out of there. The plan is, if I can show this on camera is to cut this to length. And it's probably going to be maybe 18 inches or so. And then I'm going to take it and make a little twist in it, kind of like that. And cut it to length and let it dump out into the vent where the top of the refrigerator is. And literally blow right out that vent. It'll be behind the vent inside the trailer. So none of this stuff, you're not going to be able to see any of this. It's going to be all behind the cabinet. I think it's going to work really good. I'll just show you kind of where that hole is going to come out. Again, this is a work in progress, kind of engineering on the fly. And I did do a little calculation. I don't think I'm affecting the airflow too much, especially with that big 4-inch pipe right there. Go up inside and show you kind of, so the vent is going to come out that vent right there. I'm going to have it behind there and coming out through a hole that is not there yet, but it will be. It will literally go through a hole back up here that's not there yet. So microwave is going to go in here all the way up to the top. That vent hose will go right through a hole right here, and should work good. I got, again, over the weekend, this weekend. All right, here's my helper again. Thank you, Spadalina, for helping. Gonna move all the electrical around and get everything where I need. This is actually 12-volt power here that I'm gonna need for the cooktop. Actually has a cool little blue light. There's no 12-volt power down here, but I'm gonna tap into this, and it's no longer needed because there was a light under here that's no longer gonna be used. So I'll just pull that down and use it for the cooktop. Anyway, that's the only progress I have for today. Hey, we don't need that. Come here. And she's a rambunctious type. So hey, that wraps up the video for the day. Starting tomorrow, October the 2nd, 2021, we're going to start deconstruction of all the cabinets in the area where this convection microwave mounts. There'll be a lot of electrical going on, so tune in for that. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And this is Rocket City RV, or I'll see you next time.